Hello, good evening. My name is Muhammad Rashid. Today I am going to make a progress video after almost completing my third week here in Pro Camp. I am on my third week, which is the start of domain week, and I chose game development as my domain. It was very difficult decision as I have no prior knowledge in this domain. So I was doing this as a challenge for myself, and it also gives a satisfaction to study a new area, as I already have basic knowledge about other domains and studied other languages in my, such as JavaScript, Flutter, Python, C, etc. in my college. I started with C hash in this week. It was a new experience for me to learn without a teacher, as I searched the different forums and referred some YouTube videos for my language learning. It helped me as I was coming from an IT sector, so I have basic knowledge about OOPS, which is very helpful in the learning process of C hash. C hash is also a OOPS based language. So by learning the simple changes in the syntax, I can easily understand the concept and usage of C hash language. As you see, I use C hash, but it is only C sharp. But I am new to this domain, so I keep saying C sharp, C hash. Sorry for the mistake. But the journey is very awesome and a very refreshing experience. I completed my weekly task and I tried to do it myself before using my logic and without watching much learning or AI tools such as ChatGPT, and by doing so I got a much more thorough experience and understanding in the learning process. After coming here, I am also started English, saying English more often. It also helps to increase my English vocabulary, as communication was not my very strong point. it is very helpful as there is a daily communication session in here. Thank you.